All right, so my people, like we talk, we don't come back on top of the break matter, and I tell you, Betiana get one ganxious person, because when Betiana don't decide to bring guests come inside studio, me no saying a person will go actually touch light some kind things on top of the matter. So I go throw on to Betiana now. May she give us the talk. Or may she motivate me this morning.
You don't try.
Yes.
You don't try.
Take it.
You don't touch them.
Okay, yes, we get very, very important personality for inside the studio today. This person, I go first start with her name. No say before I go give her suspense, say make you know the name. But even if I call the name, don't worry. She is a ganxious person.
Yeah.
We get Anne Melody Oluwakemi Areola, aka Vivacity. She na young, vivacious, dynamic lady. Where be say she no get question onto the vivacious cause where she done they do for inside Obodo world. She get international group of companies where get headquarters for inside UK with sub companies where they name Vivacity Models, Vivacity PR, and a whole lot of others. She did do public relations services, and she did governed by core values of integrity and honesty.
Bam.
And I know say today now Motivational Monday, and this same person where they talk about Kemi, she done do plenty things where be say for even one time she decided to honor women for their contribution to the entertainment and art industry. She done put her team together through appreciation nights for inside 2009, 2010, and another appreciation party for 2011. I they tell you say if you know say you be leader or you be organ madam for inside anywhere, you know they easy for you to do all these kind of things for people where they work with you and under you. Kemi, Vivacity, you are welcome.
Thank you.
We are well incoming.
Thank you.
Try speak the pidgin, because I understand saying a ministry really difficult for you with that.
Small.
So how this cause this movement where you don't they do how we don't be so far, because I know say you know they easy, and then you they do the PR thing, you they do the modeling thing. You know say for inside Ninja, a lot of people, make I say parents, they look modeling like say, because I remember a time where I bought one model, my parents look and say no, most models then they go into prostitution.
Yes.
So now what's that they use them for. So how you don't cope with that stigma for inside the society, especially for inside Ninja where every day?
Well, me and all like since I don't come Nigeria, I never really do much on the modeling side of things.
Oh, okay.
But for that side, the reason why I start my own agency now, because say the black model or the ethnic model, no, they really they get chance like that. You know, now more of the
White.
hair. Now them they choose for most important things like that. So now I make I start my own. But that one, you don't taste much.
Okay. It's still the part of your but what's be the challenges now with the ask?
The challenges, see, me and not lie on for that side. That time we say you won't use your own people. Bring out your own people. Your own people, no, they like to pay you. Because they go choose, say, I carry my sister, brother, pikin, my auntie, sister. You understand that kind of So now all those kind of issues they say money no really they flow like that. You understand? And when I come Nigeria, I won't continue, but I can look and say, as you talk for Nigeria, they look model with another kind of eye. And make I come relax for that area.
So you decide to focus on the PR matter?
Yes, I decided to focus on the PR more. So if I still get designer, we won't use person we they involved with me.
Okay.
Now endorsements.
Oh,
Not
okay.
be modeling again.
Okay,
So,
difference there when you endorse person and the person
be model, you understand? So no be modeling usher, no. Now the person will be say you don't already day established because through that award ceremony where they do women in entertainment and arts, they bring out women where they do, you know, a lot of performances and things like that. Because that time they look and say, woman, no, they appreciated for our entertainment industry, you understand? And make they try to give awards that time.
Okay. So you do something about your this is what you don't do. Let's say you do something on youth charity.
Yes.
What that one do all about?
Yeah, that one now for it's called Youth on Charity.
Yes, Youth on Charity.
And the slogan empowering young people to stamp out poverty.
Okay.
So they try to use the young people them take help people way not to help themselves. You understand?
Okay.
So what a young person could do normally, like say maybe they just go park, chop KFC, gist. You understand? We go collect some small money from them.
Okay.
So those small money where they bring, we will take and help people we not get.
Get at all.
So the kind of things we do that time, we arrange one kind club night, party night for, you know, so everybody can come. So the money where they pay, take enter. Which on the normal day they go out, go jolly anyway, you understand? So we can't collect the money from them, can't carry the money, come back to Nigeria.
Okay.
Can't take and buy foodstuffs and things like that for people where they motherless babies home and things like that.
Now continuous.
Yes, not continuous. Yeah.
So they do it for Nigeria.
Yes, we did do it for
How we don't help?
we don't help well. Oh. We did anybody will get challenge, we come meet us. Anything where we get, we feel take help them. We dey do them. They're more, we say like, if they need, make I come help them in any way. Sometimes it will not be financial. You understand?
All right.
We could look into them, see how we fit arrange certain things for them to make certain things happen. And
All right, like yesterday they celebrate International Women's Day, and we
Yes.
still they celebrate the woman. That's why we actually bring it here, because they celebrate, you don't actually touchlight so many people's life. But the average Nigerian woman, we just day house, they look for waiting she they do, and she don't start, maybe she don't start the business, she try to they do them small. According to say you they do PR. How you fit reach out to that kind of person? The person will say, I don't they sell this Ogi. For the past 5 years, nobody done, you know? But they sell for all these big supermarkets. You go see and package Ogi, made easy. How would I say reach out to? Because I tell you, it starts from somebody. Like the team of the International is the same, make it happen. Make them happen for somebody. And now I work, the PR people. So how you go think, say, how you fit reach out to those kind of people?
okay, first thing we say, if you want to choose any business you want to enter, suppose be something where you love.
All right.
Something where they give you, like me where I choose PR. I feel they sleep when you wake me up, I go wake up to them because I love them, not be by force work for me, you understand?
Yes.
So if you choose something where you love first, so if not cooking you love, fine. Ogi way my mama they make, not be the same way your mama they make.
Yes.
Wetin make my mama ogi different from your own mama ogi? Wetin make your own ogi different from the ogi where they big supermarket? You get to get that thing. We be say if person never drink your ogi that morning, the money never starts. You understand? Whether na nutmeg you want sprinkle inside, whether, you know everything they get different flavor. You go get wetin go make your ogi get different flavor. You know we they call an USP, unique selling point. You know everybody get their selling point. We self get our own. So your ogi too get its own selling point. You understand?
You're selling.
It be like your calabar rice. People will come here, come work in the morning, their clock wrong, go chop your calabar rice. I don't retire. I don't retire. But
Why you retire?
That one, for me to know, and for you not to find out. But the guy with you been first of all, I say I like your name very well. The name Melody, right?
Yes.
Her voice,
Now for now, which one you gonna carry her the book for head?
Now your aunt.
Nah, you sabi. But anyway, the question with me about, as we know, so we talk about International Women's Day, and by the way, your eye fine well. Anyway, we talk about International Women's Day, and we talk about how how the kind of challenges where women they face, especially in your own kind of business and PR and everything. Now, early before we even come to the show, I get one small argument with somebody. We talk say we never reach the state for Nigeria where women go take some kind of bonge leadership positions. So now for this kind of business, all the modeling thing, the PR thing, and all that. Say you don't get some kind of challenges with men when you come maybe some kind of meeting or some kind of gathering. You go get some kind of competitive, some kind of challenge where you go face with some men. How you take handle them? Say if at all those kind of challenges they come, how you take handle them and how you take prove yourself? Say, look, I be woman, but I know what I do.
That's a very good question because when I first entered Nigeria, when that kind of thing first happened to me, I mean, why don't go back home? What's that kind of thing before? That's why we call it sexual harassment.
Yeah.
But anyway, first of all, anything a person they do, get to come from inside you. Sure. You get to first build yourself up inside.
Yes.
So before what kind of any way, I know what I want to go sell. Now waiting they say here, maybe here, now here. So if they look at the other part, me go engage you first. Say, look this way now. Other places. Yes. Then I don't first get that conviction. I don't tell myself one thing for my mind. Be say, as I enter this Nigeria, so no man fit do shakara me anyhow. If say I not get, I'll sleep underneath bridge. I not go allow any man do me, you understand? So then I want to wait inside. So as I work, me say they work out with defense. So you want do me anyhow. Me, another bridge I go this
Okay, thanks.
Thank you
everyone.
so
You get
much.
one question Amaka want to ask you, Abi?
Mahola.
Okay. On that
go
note,
down
you get what we do. They call them talk the talk and do the do. And this one I'm gonna make them very, very fast because time note today our side. But you be Yoruba girl.
Yes.
Yes. So this one a tongue twister for inside our only delay Yoruba. You go talk on 3 times. You saw us stand up, but you don't be Yoruba.
My man have been.
Okay. So make I just go
Now
straight to the point.
now
Let's say you go repeat now. Molosido, morado nido, mo forward do ramoni do nido.
Molosido morado for Ramoni.
Talk about
Molosido, morado do nido. Mo forward do miramoni do nido.
Forward the Ramoni.
From the beginning.
I don't follow you. You say make I follow and word for word.
No, I think you repeat am 3 times.
My mind today, nobody go shakara me.
You don't go PR me for here. Thank you for having me. And we hope that very soon we go bring you back so we go talk plenty for on top everything that happen inside PR. And by that time you go not start your modeling stuff and I go
and we go there among you.
Me say go there.
We get models already.
Okay.
Even me, they
So
tell me
right
say I
about
sabi
now,
modern
we go
native
just
well.
what do we want?
No more go do our make we take small break. When we come back, we'll tell you our motivational quotes and we're gonna wrap them up front.
My name na Chike Oge. In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party. Oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play. And now they watch talk. Oh yeah, J won Luwa Golo. Make all these guys they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Mono Woro. Magic any ko da duro. Alright, my name na Shele, BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now so that they call me. Una they watch talk. You know now. People like us they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. That oh yeah, keep watching talk now. Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me J1, and I talk now. They watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
Yes. Welcome back, and I talk. We sit there. If you just tune in, you don't miss much, but you don't miss too much. But you miss. That's about now. I want sunshine and cocoa of the day. And the cocoa of the day, they're very easy. Today, I decided to make just go easy since we celebrate with women since yesterday.
Yes.
You think say they're okay? Make companies, they demand for work experience.
Oh.
As in, you know, say when you want to apply for a job, they say 10 years experience. How about from where? 3 years experience, 50 years experience. You think say they're okay? Make companies just they give us those kind of things. Where would they bring experience? They ask for experience before they give a job.
And wait, make I talk something. I make a good point. I really appreciate this your cocoa of the day today because you don't go left, you go straight. Because they always go, you have a left. You don't always go, you have a left all the time. But seriously, the thing they break my heart when we say during service, now secondary school they send us go primary school to go serve. So how to get experience to do all these things? I don't understand. Really, government they need to chook eye, chook leg, chook everything when they get to make sure say everything they okay. All right, we get our motivational quotes of the day. Make I read this one out. This one motivational. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way of success is always to try, just not more than one time. So that means say today successful. No be that one when you don't try once and you thought say I don't tire. Try them. When you fall, stand up, try them. You don't know the point where you go actually position yourself.
Of course.
Where you go stand
and
up.
just make una know the person will give this motivational talk now Thomas E. Edison. Now the man will create light bulb. The guy don't try several times before we feel 99. Yes, 99 times before we feel see this light where they see so whether they off they on or whether they take them or bring them. Now he create them.
All right, so my people, you feel still go on top of Twitter, make we do and be our time don't go. No if you read your tweets, but I tell you the conversation still continue. Now there will take that break. Today will be our motivational Monday. In case you get anything where you want to tell us, because tomorrow we get our real life segment. What would they do? If you get anything where you want to tell us, we are bad break now. Just go into our message box, make you send us a message. Go on top of Facebook, do I'm also on top of Twitter.
Yes, if you don't reach our box, make you just go Facebook talk Wazobia with day there for you.
If you like, now you make that Facebook for.
All right, so my people, my own name still remain QueenB or Balu.
And yes, my name still remains Betiana Unweli. Facebook,
now wait, I want to make you put Facebook for the back of your name. My name remains Bernard. I know they go anywhere. Anytime when they need me, I handle everything.
Oh, my name is Namaka Okudiafa. Today on Monday, we go to Regent of Monday. Make sure you enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, as we always talk on top of the show before we wrap them up, we say to talk not be batting, but make you know when you need to talk about.
What is part like?